The Oman, the country where skyscrapers and neon lights are not allowed. Here are 14 fascinating facts about Oman that will blow your mind. Number 14. Oman's wild weather. Oman is a peaceful country in the southeastern corner of the Arabian Peninsula. Unlike its glitzier neighbors, Oman is known for its authenticity, rugged beauty, and deep-rooted culture. And get this, it has one of the most unique weather patterns in the Middle East. Oman has a desert climate, which means hot and dry in most regions. From May to September, temperatures can hit 45 degree, 113 degree, or higher. And along the coast, the humidity makes it feel even hotter. But in the winter, November to February, is a different story. Mild and pleasant with daytime temps around 20-25 degrees, 68-77 degrees. Nights are cooler, especially in the desert. Imagine Muscat in July. It's like stepping into a giant outdoor sauna, only instead of a towel, you're in jeans. But wait, head south to Dhofar province, and it's a whole new world. From June to September, it's Khareef season, aka monsoon time. Mist, rain, and clouds roll in. Mountains turn lush green, waterfalls flow, and temps cool to 20 to 25 degrees Celsius with constant drizzle. It's like you've stepped into Scotland, but you're still in Arabia. That's Salalah during Khareef. Oman covers 309,500 square kilometers, 119,500 square miles, about the size of Italy or slightly larger than New Mexico State in the U.S. With over 2,700 kilometers, 1,050 miles of coastline along the Arabian Sea and Gulf of Oman, the landscape here is wild and beautiful, from towering mountains to golden deserts and lush green valleys. It borders UAE to the northwest, Saudi Arabia to the west, via the Empty Quarter Desert, Yemen to the southwest. And don't forget, Oman also controls the Musandam Peninsula, a separate exclave just north of the UAE, sitting right on the Strait of Hormuz, a global oil shipping hotspot. Number 13. Omani women. Omani women are among the most beautiful in the Middle East. They often have a modest and graceful posture, influenced by traditional dress like the abaya or dishdasha. Their looks vary by region, from fair-skinned in the north to medium or darker tones in Dhofar, reflecting their African ancestry. Women in Oman dress modestly, their hair are often covered in public, and they do not wear revealing clothes due to the custom and religion. Wearing revealing clothes is frowned upon. So, if you find yourself in Oman, respect the culture and dress modestly. Long eyelashes are culturally admired in Oman, and they're often accentuated with kohl, a traditional eyeliner. In Oman, beauty is celebrated modestly, through henna, fragrance, jewelry, and clothing, not revealing figures. Number 12. Best snorkeling destination. Yep, Oman is a snorkeling paradise. The coral reefs are vibrant and pristine, the water is warm and crystal clear, and visibility can reach up to 30 meters. You might spot parrotfish, clownfish, sea turtles, rays, lionfish, even reef sharks. Oman dramatic landscapes of rocky cliffs, hidden coves, and fjord-like bays add cinematic flair to the snorkeling experience. Top snorkeling spots: Daymaniyat Islands, UNESCO-protected marine reserve near Muscat; Bandar Kairan, a coastal gem near Muscat; Musandam Peninsula, dramatic fjord-like cliffs; Salalah and Mirbat, tropical marine life down south. Number 11. Third strongest currency in the world. Oman uses the Omani Rial, OMR, and it's the third strongest currency on earth after the Kuwaiti and Bahraini dinars. One Omani Rial is about $260 USD. If you ever visit Oman, don't be shocked when your $10 is worth less than 5 Omani Rial. I'm sure you're wondering why their money is so strong. Because of oil wealth and economic stability. Oman is rich in oil and gas, which supports the economy and backs the currency. The Omani Rial is pegged to the US dollars at a fixed rate of about 1 Omani Rial to 2.60 US dollars. This keeps the currency stable to avoid major fluctuations, and in doing so, they can also keep inflation low. These strict monetary policies makes it the currency with a trusted store of value. So, holding a 50 Rial note, that's over $130 in your hand. Handle it with care. That's a small shopping spree right there. Number 10. Oman has a city built into a canyon. It's straight out of a fantasy novel. The city is called Misfat Al Abriyeen, an ancient mountain village carved into the cliffs of the Al-Hajar Mountains. Think stone houses, lush date palm terraces, and narrow passageways like something out of Game of Thrones. It's like someone built a hobbit village in Arabia. And yes, you can still walk its 500-year-old irrigation paths today. Number 9. Oman is one of the oldest independent countries. Oman has been independent since the 8th century. That's over 1,200 years of sovereignty. While neighboring lands were forming empires or getting colonized, Oman had its own sultans, trade fleets, and even colonies in East Africa. Zanzibar? That used to be Omani. Yep, Oman once ruled parts of Tanzania and Kenya. Number 8. Frankincense grows here. You know that weird gift the 3 wise men gave to baby Jesus? Frankincense. It comes from southern Oman, the Dhofar region. The trees only grow in a few places on Earth, and Oman is the global hotspot. The scent once made Oman filthy rich, and it's still burned in homes and mosques today, giving off the smell of ancient royalty. Number 7. Oman has an underwater sinkhole that looks like Alien Sinkhole. It's called the Bima Sinkhole, and it's a turquoise crater in the middle of the desert that looks like a portal to another dimension. Legend says it was made by a falling meteor. Science says it's collapsed limestone. Either way, it's like swimming in a natural infinity pool in the middle of nowhere. Number 6. Omani hospitality and friendliness. Walk into a shop in Muscat, and you might walk out with a free cup of kahwa, Omani coffee, and some dates, just because. Hospitality isn't just culture here, it's an identity. Oman consistently ranks among the safest and most welcoming countries in the region. You're more likely to be invited to a wedding than scammed. Number 5. Omani red desert look exactly like Mars on Earth, and NASA know about it. Head to Wadi Rum, oops, sorry, wrong country. We meant the Wahiba Sands. Massive golden red dunes stretch for hundreds of kilometers, and the silence out there is eerie. So much so, it's been used to test Mars rovers by NASA. You can camp under stars so bright you'll forget electricity exists. Number 4. Architecture law that keeps the country beautiful. In Oman, there's no glass skyscrapers and no neon signs. Why? Because buildings must reflect traditional Omani architecture like sand-colored walls, domes, arches, and wind towers. Even Starbucks in Muscat looks like an ancient fortress. It's one of the few capitals that feels timeless. Number 3. The first Arab country to send a ship around the Cape of Good Hope. Oman was a maritime superpower way before Instagram travel bloggers made it cool. Back in the 1500s, Omani sailors were mapping the Indian Ocean, trading with India, and sailing to Zanzibar, Tanzania, and other parts of East Africa. The Omani dhow, their traditional sailing ship, is a national symbol, and they're still made by hand in Sur. Number 2. Camel racing with robots jockeys. Yes, robot jockeys. Camel racing is a huge deal in Oman, but to prevent child jockey controversies, they invented tiny robots to ride the camels instead. These bots even have walkie-talkies, so owners can yell encouraging words as they chase behind in SUVs. It's like Star Wars, but with camels. Number 1. Oman has no McDonald's in some cities, and that's on purpose. Unlike its fast food-filled neighbors, Oman limits commercial chains in many areas to protect local culture and small businesses. You're more likely to find a guy selling fresh grilled fish on the beach than a glowing fast food sign. It's part of what keeps Oman unique peaceful, and refreshingly authentic. So, which of these facts blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more journey around the world. See you in the next video. Until then, stay curious, stay adventurous.